Hello travelers. Today we are going to Nathula Pass, Baba Mandir and Changu Lake. We start our journey from Gangtok at around 8 am. It is recommended to start the journey as early as possible as the weather changes very frequently at high altitude. For an easy and hassle-free process, we booked a car from our hotel reception, or you can book from any agency at MG Marg. It is mandatory to take permit from Sikkim government for visiting Nathula Pass, Baba Mandir and Changu Lake. The permits are well checked by military officers. We provided our photographs and an photo ID copy, that is Aadhaar card, within 10 pm the day before our journey to our car driver, who managed all kind of permission procedure on behalf of us. We recommend to cover Nathula Pass at the very first. Nathula takes about 3 hours to reach from Gangtok, 60 km away at the altitude of 14,140 feet. Car fare for the whole day trip is in between 3,500 to 6,000 depending on the car type. For shared cab, it will cost approx 600 to 700 per head. Oh my god, just look at the beauty. The stream is flowing on its full grace. By standing here, you can feel that the Mother Nature is holding you in her embrace. This is the time of early October, and the weather is in its own colorful mood, and it turned the mountain more live and eliminated the cover of dryness from everywhere. It is amazing to see drenched leaves sparkling in the sun. We have already visited the snow-covered Nathula Pass and Changu Lake, but this beauty is insane. The road is going upwards with sharp turns, and we are mesmerized by the views which can't be explained by words but only by presenting yourself there. We stopped at 19th mile to take a break, some snacks and photographs. We took enough dry food for the day because the food is very costly there and very rare to get. Our next stop is Nathula Pass. We can't show much photos of Nathula Pass because photography is prohibited there. The place gives you goosebumps. It's a different feeling when you see the Indian flag and China flag in a frame, though separated by boundaries. Warm clothes are much needed here and can't stay longer due to lack of oxygen. We are heading downwards to Baba Mandir. The route to Baba Mandir is such scenic and beautiful that one can immerse himself in the valleys. Baba Mandir is dedicated to our proud soldier Baba Harbhajan Singh. You can check more details in our description box. There is a statue of Lord Shiva just beside the Baba Mandir and a stream flowing by the immense statue with stunning views which you can't miss at all. If you are willing to go near the statue, then you have to trek for 30 to 40 minutes from Baba Mandir. Now we're going more downwards to the most famous destination, Changu Lake. The road condition is quite good. Guys, just check out the colorful mountains and the zigzag roads. The greeneries are everywhere and the valleys are picture perfect. And here you go with the first look of Changu Lake, and it is the view from the road which leads us to the lake. Finally, we reached Changu Lake. The popular yak ride costs up to 500 bucks. Enjoy the dazzling lake water with chilling breeze. The must thing to do in Changu Lake is to experience the best ever ropeway view at an altitude of 13,000 feet. Now we are in ropeway and it cost us 300 bucks and it was worth every penny. The bird eye view gave us just a jaw-dropping experience. The multicolored land and nearby clouds are so eye-soothing one can't take his eyes off of this. Now we reached at the top of our ropeway journey. We are just super excited to experience the top view. Just look around the cloudy top. It is the best ever experience on this trip. The heart feels so high when you are on the top of all. Simply just enjoy the view and nothing else. Here are some clips from our previous trip when we came here in winter. From here, we are heading towards our base location, Gangtok.